Hi everyone, this is Kigimo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in the Kingdom Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Jelix compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. So yeah, panoorin natin to. May karapatan talaga si Jello, no? Di ba? May karapatan talaga siya. Siya talaga ang may karapatan sa totoo lang. Tell me that you have a karapatan without telling me. Ladies and gentlemen, tingnan mo ang hawak niya. Oo, tingnan mo ang hawak niya sa bewang, mga mami. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Tingnan mo dito. Tingnan mo ang hawak niyo. Tapos nagigigil ako. Ay, we're so in love with her voice. Actually, ang vocals niya talaga iba eh. Okay, what's next? Ay, kinonsert na naman tayo. Kinonsert na naman tayo ni Alexa yung ilakad. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Oh, oh, yo, 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 Chares! Kinonsert na naman niya tayo. Okay, what's next?
Hi, I'm
Ay,
Akira.
sige nga, tingnan ko nga.
And
Tingnan lang
I'm
natin,
Alexina.
support lang natin. Alam din naman talaga natin na wala naman silang something special. Mas iba ang bigay, ang hagod ng Jello and Alexa kaysa sa kay Akira.
Time to
Pagbigyan
play.
natin. Pagbigyan natin.
Hanapin mo ako.
Ay, hanapin mo ako. Hanapin mo ako. Aki versus Alexa. Go.
Game. Hanapin mo ang word na Ampalaya Chronicles.
Palaya Chronic.
Ah, nahanap ko na.
Five,
Sandali, nahanap ko na. Nahanap ko na nga.
Di ka pa nagbebel. Di ka pa nagbebel.
Okay, hanapin
Okay.
mo ang abandon.
Hindi ko to napanood.
Abandon.
Abandonado for today's video. Saan talaga? Chas!
Ay, eto maganda. Hanapin mo ang word na call me tita.
Nakita ko na yung kanina. Ah! Nakita ko na yung kanina eh. Okay, hanapin mo ang wild at love.
Out of love.
Di ka nag-ex.
Ay, nakalimutan ko.
Mag-ex ka, Bi. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Ay. Nahanap mo. Nahanap mo.
Okay.
Hanapin mo ang kanta ni Moira.
Kanta ni Moira?
Malaya!
Ba't ang daya mo? Teka lang.
Napakabilis eh. Asan yung malaya? Ano ba? Mother father. Meron ba malaya dito?
Saan?
Ay. Okay. Cutie.
No,
Ay.
of course, I would like to say thank you so much to everyone who made it here today.
My God, ang ganda ng suot niya.
Thank you for braving Monday traffic, and I know that it's been raining hard today. So, thank you. We really appreciate it.
Okay.
Honestly, I'm kind of at a loss for words. I'm just so grateful right now, and yeah, each and every one of us here standing in front of you. Wow. We really gave our all, more than our all. We've exceeded our own expectations by doing this project. So we really, really hope that you feel the passion and the love and the care that we poured into this body of work. And I just like to say thank you so much to each and every person who made this show possible. Thank you to each and every person who believed in me and who believed that I was worthy of being misbelieved. Thank you so much. And thank you to the best castmates I could have ever asked for the best director in the universe. And to the whole team, I want Star Magic, ABS-CBN, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, to my friends, to my family, to our friends from the media, thank you for being here to support us.
Ganda
Like
ng
what
suot
Direk
niya.
said, we would really appreciate your help in spreading the word. Misbehave starts streaming this June 3 only on iWant. Kaya maraming
okay.
salamat po again for
Dito na naman tayo for today's video. Andito na naman tayo kung saan si Kapitan. Wait lang. Tingnan ko nga to. Alexa Ilacad. Alexa Ilacad, BGYO Jello, latest. Saan dalahin? Ito. Ay, di. Ay, ito. Ano to? Hala, ang gwapo niya. Ay, saan sila, ma'am? Saan sila nagpunta? Tapos hindi sila magkasama. Tigilan niyo ako. Hindi talaga sila magkasama dyan. Tigilan. Tigilan ng kaek-ekan for today's video. Kabaklaan niyo. Ay, malakas na talaga ang loob ni Jello dito. Totoo lang. Suffer. Hala. Ay! Bakit nyo naman pinaangkas? Edited yan, edited. Bakit nyo naman pinasakay? AI ba yan? Mga AI yung... Mga AI naman itong pinaano ninyo. Ay, oh. Like I do. Okay. Ay, ito. Kasama si Direk.
Manager
Ano?
Joe, bakit si Akira may smack
Ay,
sa
ang cute natin.
misbehave? Bakit ako?
Uy, sus ang baby.
Abangan.
Ay, sus, ang baby.
Push natin guys sa tulungan
Binibibi
niyo
ba ni
ako.
Alexa si ano?
I-request.
Binibibi ba ni Alexa si,
Abangan.
Ang gusto, ang
si
sinabi
Jello?
Abangan.
Feeling ko, pag silang dalawa lang, binibibi yan ni Alexa si Jello. Kasi gano'n naman talaga eh. Ang mga lalaki, kahit anong laki nila yan, kahit anong tangkad nila yan, kahit anong brusko nila yan, pag binaby yan sila, or pag dalawa lang, or kung may baby time sila, di yung nagpapa-baby talaga yan.
sa akin, Direk,
As-
bakit ako
Diba?
si Alexa?
So much naman po to everyone who prayed
Oh.
for this. Ito na, it's happening! We're so excited to give it to you. Pero again, guys, thank you so much for making us trend. Thank you sa lahat po ng nag-abang today. Surprise! Na-surprise ba kayo?
Suffer.
Parang tayo
Bigla
yung
kayo.
na-surprise.
Oo nga eh.
Parang tayo yung na-surprise.
Suffer.
Pero ayun, thank you sa
Panindigan niyo tong kilig
Thank you
namin,
so
sinasabi
much.
ko sa inyo
Again, The Chambermaid's Daughter Season 2
Panindigan niyo talaga.
is coming really
Ang kilig namin.
soon. Of course,
Swear.
dito pa rin sa iWant.
Okay.
Kaya thank you guys. We hope you're excited. We hope you're as excited as we are. We're gonna
Suffer.
start
Suffer.
taping really
Ay, taping na sila. Marami na naman ayuda. This is Kiyama Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye.